Good day, no home. I'm your host, Villain Cloud, and welcome to Project Villainmobile. This time we're gonna talk about engines, understanding what your engine needs. Obviously, when you lift the bonnet up, you are presented with all this. Now, there is something, there is something, there is something, this is something, and there is something. How you know what to add and where to add? If you have a dash light or you want to just check. Let's start with the easiest ones, what you can find, what you can see. Here, windscreen wash, oil, so you add the oil here. This is the brake fluid, so if you need to add brake fluid, you are adding it up here, where the driver's seat is. If you're in America, I think it's that side, or actually even this one, I don't really know. Here is the radiator. For the radiator, the fluids, you can see in cold or cold. And there is one more, ATF, transmission fluid. You need to lift this up, away, there you go. This funny shaped thing is where you put your oil, here. And this is a dipstick. This is where you check your oil level. See? It's black for me because I just driven it. I need to change the oil. As you can see, it's pretty oily. I need to change the oil. That's the most basic thing about engines that you need to know. Now, what fluids you need? You can look at the recommendations or just do something like that simple. There is missing for the brake fluid, but you just need to top it up once. Now, screen wash. So you can see it has the same icon as on here. So you can't mix that up. Don't try to put antifreeze in there. You will ruin all the lines and it will be an expensive job. So screen wash goes in the screen wash. This is Castrol Edge 0W30. That's what the BMW recommends me, Castrol oil. So for me it's Castrol Edge. That's the oil I actually like even. Now here for the radiator, of course, universal antifreeze or summer coolant. It's up to you. It's up to you what kind of antifreeze you use, concentrated or already mixed like I do. And now, for this, it's automatic transmission and power steering fluid. What you need to add here for this. That's the common and basic things what you need to know. If you can put these fluids inside yourself, you'll save some money. For the oil change, it's a different thing and different procedure. But to add oil, it's that simple. Just open this cap and put as much oil as it needs. So the dipstick shows full or just a little bit under full. Summer coolant as it seems here. Here is a diagram. Just put as much as the diagram asks. For the windscreen, it's not how to say marked how much you need to put, so put as much as you want. Just add some at least. And here it's max for the brake fluid. That's the basic fluids you need to keep your car and your engine running. If you liked the video, of course, smash the like button, subscribe for more awesome videos, share the videos like so that people can see them too. Hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye!